Hello again. I'm Sarah. Welcome back to our English learning series. Look outside. It is December. It is cold outside, but we are very happy and excited. Why? Because Christmas is here. We love this holiday. Our first job is the Christmas tree. It is big and green. We put lights on the tree. My daughter, Emma, helps me.
I hang the red ornaments. The ornaments are shiny.
Yes, they are very shiny. And look, Emma. Emma has her favorite Christmas sweater. Emma wears her sweater.
I like the stars.
Now, let's talk about Jonathan. Remember, Jonathan is the organized planner. He does not like a mess.
I check the gift list. I must buy gifts for Sarah, Emma, and Miles. I wrap the gifts carefully.
He is a very patient wrapper. He uses red and green paper. He puts the finished gifts under the tree. Jonathan buys many gifts. He wraps the gifts. He puts the gifts under the tree.
And where is Miles? He is writing a letter. Look, Miles is writing to Santa. Miles loves Santa.
Mommy, I want a robot and a big red car.
A big red car? Wow! Miles draws a picture on the letter. He asks for simple toys. He is only 6 years old. I help Miles write the letter.
Look, Mommy, look at my stocking.
Yes, I see it. That is your stocking. Miles hangs his stocking too. Very good, Miles. Now we put the letter in the envelope. Now let's go to the kitchen. We need food. We bake Christmas cookies. The cookies smell very sweet. We drink hot chocolate because it is cold. We also eat candy canes. I love Christmas cookies. We drink hot chocolate. The candy canes are red and white. Later, the whole family sits down. We watch a Christmas movie. We sing Christmas songs like Jingle Bells. We are all together and we are happy.
We have a big family dinner tomorrow. We share food with our friends.
I call my friends on Christmas Day. We talk about our gifts.
I laugh a lot.
We laugh a lot. We sing and dance at our little party. Welcome back. This is part 2. Now we practice. We review the Christmas actions. This helps you speak English. Look at the verbs. To watch, to sing, to wrap, to eat. Repeat the verbs. We start with Jonathan. Remember, Jonathan is organized. Jonathan wraps the gifts. He buys gifts. Say it. He wraps the gifts. And he buys the gifts. Jonathan does not sing. He does not sing. Now, Miles.
Miles is 6. He draws a picture. He wants a robot. Say it. Miles draws a picture and he wants a robot. Now Emma. Emma hangs ornaments. She calls her friends. Say it. She hangs the ornaments. Now the whole family. We use. We watch. We use. We eat. Say it. We watch a movie. We eat cookies. We do not go outside. We do not go outside. Practice the negative. We do not go. Last practice. Adjectives. The tree is green. The cookies are sweet. The lights are shiny. Repeat the sentence, the tree is green. The cookies are sweet. The house is warm. The house is warm. Very good. You practiced a lot today. You know the Christmas verbs. Very good, everyone. You practiced a lot today. You know the Christmas verbs, he wraps and we watch. Remember to practice these sentences every day. If you liked this lesson, please give us a big thumbs up. This helps our channel a lot. And please subscribe to join our learning family. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. We love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and tell us, what is your favorite Christmas activity? Do you eat cookies? Thank you for learning with us. Share this video with your friends who need English practice. We wish you a very Merry Christmas. See you soon.